Hello everyone. Today's topic of my video is very interesting. What will be the quality of my love life? Yes, I get approximately hundreds of questions like this on my YouTube channel, on my personal WhatsApp number, that how will be my love life? Yes, I, Nisha Ghai, astrologer, palmist and numerologist, is today going to explain you in a very easy and a simple method that how stable is your love life going to be. You will, I'm sure, by the end of this video, you will get all your answers. What are you looking from within your partner and from your partner? So if I start talking about the stable love life, like we all look for a stable romantic love life, we all want that our partner should give his or her 100% to us and should be caring, loving, passionate about us and about our things and about our relatives and about our relation. So that only we can know from heartline. Yes, if the heartline is the line which talks about the emotional sector of your life, your emotional values, how sensitive you are, and how will you react to your partner is also can be seen from this heart line. This is a line which talks about relationships. Yes, our relationship, how stable and longer they are going to stay, how much love we are going to get in our life can also be seen from it, and how we will connect to our love partner can also be seen from our heart line. So see, this is it long in your hand? If this is long, then you may have a passionate and a loving partner. Another important symbol in palmistry, which is very important to see, is the Venus area. The Venus is the area which talks about the sexual relations and our likings and dislikings about our partner. Whether what kind of a partner we are looking for is seen from Venus. Are we going to have a longer relationship? Are we going to have a soon or an early marriage or a delay in marriage? What will be the quality of our love relation is also seen by Venus. Yes, how keen we are in a relationship, how much relationship is important for us, how will be our physical reaction when we talk about all this is only seen by Venus. How good will be with our partner physically and mentally is can also be seen from Venus. So just see if is it fleshy or if it is flat. A fleshy Venus is always considered good for love relations. Marriage line, how can we forget the marriage line? Because this is the line which does not only talk about the timing of the marriage. Yes, we can see the timing of marriage from this marriage line, but it also tells us that how strong relations we are going to have. Yes, we are talking about the strength of relation. So if this marriage line is longer, then the partner and the love from the partner we are going to have will get is for the longer period. We are going to stay in a long and some good quality of relationship if the marriage line is long. We can come to know about the timing of the marriage, but right now I'm talking about the stable and the love life and the quality of love life. Will the partner propose? Yes, this is very important. So if you have these symbols, this kind of a symbol and this kind of a line in your hand, then certainly your partner is going to propose to you. Because so many people ask me that I love somebody, is that person loving to me? Yes. If you have this kind of a heart line in your hand, of course, or this kind of a marriage line in your hand, then of course the partner is going to be loving and they can propose to you. So just see that how are these lines placed in your hand. Their strength, their quality, they matter a lot. And if you have liked my video, do subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me on my Instagram as well. I appear on my Instagram at 12:30 p.m. every Sunday and I talk about different topics over there. So do subscribe my channel, and you will get a lot of informations about your life and a lot of guidance about your problem. So have a great day and stay blessed.